Righto, shapes fully loaded, crunchy hot chips and sauce. You remember roadies. These are the new age roadies, and I actually think they're better. These have fuckloads of flavouring on them. I just wish they'd do some of the roadies flavours in the fully loaded range. That would be absolutely epic. I also want to mention, I was a process engineer at Arnott's. I was a bit of a shit kicker. I was pretty junior, but the cracker chips range was the last thing I worked on. I didn't do much. I basically weighed some biscuits, but they are fucking awesome if you haven't tried it. They did get rid of the Vita Wheat ones and a couple of others, but they're still fucking great. And it's hard to find the sea salt ones, but if you can, I think it was like the Jats recipe, and they are like super salty, melt in your mouth Jats. Fucking awesome. There they are, super thin, heaps of flavour, and they smell like hot chips and sauce. We had a teacher that always had hot chips and sauce in primary school, and it's given me some fucking flashbacks. I still remember they confiscated one of the kids' Tamagotchis and they're like, don't miss, no, it's gonna die. And had this full fucking meltdown, started smashing shit. This reminds me of that. Wait, one more. I remember one of the kids kicked someone's bag and he's like, did you kick my bag? And about 10 minutes later, he comes back with a broken lunchbox. He's like, you broke my mum's container, and grabbed this kid and just started punching the fuck out of him in the middle of the classroom. This reminds me of that. Anyway, let's see if they taste like that. Now, 6 out of 10. It's a nice chip. A lot of twang and quite mouth-watering, but it's just sauce-flavoured. I'm getting none of that hot chips, none of that deep-fried potato and chicken salt. It is just a sauce, quite a bit of twang about it. Sauce-flavoured chip, that's it. Pretty disappointing, to be honest, because it smells exactly like them.